my name is Ashley Romay, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Creme of Nature's Pure Honey Hair Care line. I recently did the big chop and can't wait to try out these products. Everything that you'll see in today's video was given to me completely free from Influenster. If you want to know more about how to get free products from Influenster, be sure to check out the link in my description box. So, let's open up the box and get to it. Each Voxbox comes with an insert that gives you information about the products you've received and oftentimes includes hashtags and products that you'll need to complete for the campaign. I started off by getting my hair wet and making sure that I really rubbed this shampoo into my scalp to make sure my scalp was nice and clean after I finished washing it. On the back of the shampoo and the conditioner, it states that the Creme of Nature Pure Honey collection is infused with a blend of pure honey, certified natural coconut oil, and shea butter, and that the collection targets dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness, and smoothness where your hair needs it without weighing it down. Apply a generous amount to wet hair and massage into a lather. Rinse thoroughly and repeat. Follow with the Pure Honey Conditioner. Next, I applied the conditioner to my hair. Creme of Nature claims that the conditioner locks in moisture and controls frizz. The directions say, after shampooing with Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo, try saying that 10 times fast, apply a generous amount to hair and leave it on up to 5 minutes. Comb through for even distribution, rinse, then style. After I rinsed out the conditioner, I applied the Not Away Detangler. When I say this detangler is thick, I mean thick. I felt that the detangler worked well for me as far as making detangling my hair easy, but I didn't feel like it helped me retain moisture, which is really important to me, especially when a product is described as leave-in. Although the detangler didn't work as well as I hoped, I decided to apply the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator, which ended up being my favorite product in the Pure Honey collection. After applying the Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator, my hair felt so soft and moisturized, and my curls were poppin'. Last but not least, the edge control. I was skeptical when I applied the edge control because I thought it would leave white flakes in my hair, but it actually didn't, so I was very happy about that. And when I got up the next morning, my edges were still laid. I would definitely buy it again, but I think it could be a little bit stronger. Overall, I would give the collection 4 out of 5 stars. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this collection and what your thoughts are. And if you haven't tried the collection, let me know if you have plans to. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you soon.